What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the news just keeps coming in. Now, I wouldn't necessarily call this news, but Motor One has reported that among the many hypercars that will be on the roads from Greece to Spain this year for Gumball 3000, there will also be a very vibrant Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio that will be hard to miss. Take a look at this custom wrap over the body that will feature a grid of the brand's logo in addition to lime green flourishes in the shape of a four-leaf clover and the snake from the company's emblem. Now, the Alfa Romeo Design Center came up with the eye-catching look that also includes a set of 20-inch wheels in the same bright green that appears on the body stripe and other parts of the exterior. Now, there are no other alterations to the powertrain, so this Stelvio Quadrifoglio still packs that 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with 505 horsepower and 443 foot-pounds of torque. Now, an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission with this, and the all-wheel drive to get the power to the road. Now, on June 12th, the Gumball 3000 festivities reached the Belocco Proving Grounds in Vercelli, Italy, where Alfa Romeo tests its models. After doing a lap of the circuit, the vehicles head to Monaco and then to Spain. Now, it's safe to bet that Alfa would never allow a Stelvio Quadrifoglio that looks like this to the public. Currently, the top speed versions available in the United States is the limited run in-ring edition. This version wears the exclusive gray matte finish paint shade, and there's carbon fiber trim all around the grille, mirror caps, and side sills. Red brake calipers make the exterior pop, and it also comes standard with dual pane sunroof and 20-inch wheels. The interior has two-tone leather upholstery as well. But let's talk about what you guys think about this custom Alfa Romeo. It is very bright, it is very loud, it is very in your face. But for Gumball 3000, if you guys don't know about Gumball 3000, you need to look it up. It's legendary. I think it's been going on since 2001, ran by Maximilian Cooper. I've been able to be involved somewhat in Gumball when it came through Daytona. I met up at the locations, met a lot of the drivers, got video of it. I believe it's on my old channel, probably still up. But it has been something that I have been in love with since I first saw it and even before then. So if you guys have ever experienced the Gumball 3000, whether you've seen the convoy, you've been at one of the checkpoints, or just, are a big fan of Gumball, definitely comment down below. But what I really want to know is, what do you guys think about this custom Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio for the 3000? In my opinion, it suits the needs of what it's supposed to be doing for this race or for this rally. But yeah, I would never be caught dead in that outside of the rally. I'll say it that way. But other than that, for the wild wraps and paint jobs and everything that the Gumball 3000 has, this will fit right in. If you guys don't know about that, please do your research. You need to know about the Gumball 3000. But with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today and the exclusive look at the pictures of the custom Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. If you did, give this video a like. Definitely help support my channel and get it up in the rankings as well, so more people can see the video and talk about the cars. Also, if you want to help support the channel, check the link in the description. I do have a one-time donation through PayPal you can do. If you want to do $1 or $3, doesn't matter. Every little bit helps. I appreciate it. Also, you can do a Patreon subscription too. If you do have a Patreon account, you can do that. You can check out my social media links down there: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I just before posting this video, just posted on my Facebook. I do my Instagram every day and stuff like that too. So check out the automotive content I have there as well. And subscribe for more Ron's Rise video and click that notification bell so you can get more Ron's Rise videos in your inbox as soon as they come out. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully you enjoy your day. Thank you for spending some of it with me, and we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.